Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Venu Pro tips step by step clearly. To set up your Garmin Venu, begin by ensuring your watch is fully charged. Power on the watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Garmin logo appears. Once powered on, select your preferred language from the options presented on the screen. Next, you will need to download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Open the app and create or log into your Garmin Connect account. On your watch, swipe down to access the settings menu. Select the option to pair a new device. In the Garmin Connect app, tap on the device's icon to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your watch and smartphone. Once paired, you will receive a series of notifications to complete the setup process. Customize your user profile within the app for more personalized tracking. Adjust your activity settings based on your fitness preferences and goals. Synchronize your data by tapping the sync icon in the app. Familiarize yourself with the touchscreen by swiping through the main menus. Set up your preferred watch faces and widgets for easy access to information. Explore the various activity modes available, such as running, cycling, and swimming. Ensure your heart rate and GPS settings are configured for accurate monitoring. Customize alerts and notifications based on your preferences within the app. Take a moment to review the user manual for additional features and tips. Finally, take your watch for a test run to experience all its capabilities. Enjoy your new Garmin Venu and the benefits it brings to your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.